Okay, so let's check this out. This is the Sendy. This is one of Civivi's little custom designs. This was one that was designed by a fan, and they actually created the knife. And this is what it came out to. So as far as the action on this, this thing has a really good action. This is one of the Civivi Wii knives, as you can see the logo right there on the side. Now the cool thing about this knife right here, you got the G10 scales on it. They are textured, so they actually have a good feel to them, so it's not going to be slippery in your hand. You've also got a reverse pocket clip, so you can put it on either side. Nice blue accents for the spacers in between. You've got a liner lock on the inside right there, and this thing catches real heavy. I mean, that's almost 100% catch. And then look at that blade alignment right in the middle. Now this thing also has a nice little set of tweezers right here built into it, so sort of like your Swiss Army knives. Then you have a little toothpick on this side right here, or something that you can use to pick out splinters and stuff like that. So yeah, definitely something that I've been waiting to get my hands on. So there we go, guys. The Sendy. She's a beaut. I like that. So definitely recommend it.